Hi guys, my name is Jordan Mullings from Learn to Ride JA, and I just want to share some tips with you guys as riders. First tip is awareness. Awareness buys you time, time buys you options. It's very good to always scan and plan. One of the biggest detriments to riders is panic. In order to not have panic, we need to be aware. We need to constantly be aware of what's happening all around us, looking for risk factors ahead and planning, right? You're playing the what if game. What if the child runs out in front of me? What if that person ahead of me wants to turn out into the road? So, if I'm constantly thinking ahead, I'm relieving myself of panic and I'm constantly aware of making my decisions, all right? Next tip, safety gears. Helmet, bare minimum, bare minimum. Safety starts in the mind. Then, next thing is the protection of our body. As we know, once we're on a motorcycle, we're open to all risk factors. There's nothing protecting us like in a car. So, because of that, again, safety starts in the mind and we need to plan and think ahead. Guys, remember, all about your influence and who is influencing you. So mentorship and guidance is important. On group rides, you need to know your location, where you're heading to your destination, right? Go through hand signals, go through riding tips. You know, hand signals, you have 2 fingers in the air, which is staggered. You want one rider on the left, one rider on the right. You don't want single file at that point because you want to see all around. Then if you're in an urban area, high traffic, being a group ride, 1 finger in the air is single file. You know, you need to go through a tight area, bikers fall in line, single file. Then you point to the gas tank if you need gas, feet sticking out, obstacles in the road, whichever side, right? Remember, it's about a duty of care. So you want to think for other riders, you want to think for other road users, pedestrians, persons in motor vehicles. Remember, it's our duty to care for each other. Have a great day, guys.